What up, YouTube? Got some new mods for the V3, so we're going to be doing an unboxing video of my TooHighPSI port plate setup. So big shout out to those guys over there. They make some really nice and quality parts. This is basically going to be everything that you need to make 800 plus wheel horsepower on a stock cam LT4. So stay tuned.
Shout out to TooHighPSI for the port injection. This is basically what you're gonna need from them to make a big power on an LT4. We got the upgraded injectors, the reflex. This is gonna be the port plates. So this one is the LP model. Basically, it's gonna be the kit for the 2650, but you can use it on the stock LT4 blower as long as you have their valve covers. So that's basically what I did to make it work. Looks like this last box is the hardware kit, so you don't have to worry about that. So these are going to be their two-piece billet covers. As you can see, you can get them anodized. I got these custom powder coated from one of the homies, so I'll tag him. But basically, this is the full setup that you're gonna need so you can make 800 plus wheel horsepower on the stock blower. You can make more power if you're gonna do an upgraded 2650, which you're gonna need their valve covers if you're gonna do the 2650 as well. So I just basically got whatever I needed, and when I upgraded my blower, I'm basically gonna have the same port plates, the valve covers, everything will stay the same other than the blower. Finished talking about the fuel stuff. Now we're gonna go into the cooling supporting mods that you'll be needing. This is another product by TooHighPSI. This is their billet thermostat housing. As you can see, I got it in anodized black. So I got this. And then next part is the CSF/DMS heat exchanger. And then I got their fender tank as well. And the last part is going to be their auxiliary heat exchangers. There's gonna be two of them, so you'll need two of these. There's a left and the right side. So this will keep temperatures down in the car when I'm making more power. So definitely going to be a necessity if you're gonna do multiple pulls and making lots of power. Now that we talked about the cooling mods and the TooHighPSI stuff, we're gonna be talking about the ported blower. So this is my ported LT4 blower by Kong. I got the export option. This is basically it. Stock blower, ported. Got the export, has a 2.3 upper pulley. I got 9.2 lower pulley by DMS. This is the belt you're gonna need for the 2.3 and 9.2 lower. Got the ATI super damper, and then the bolt. So this is pretty much it for all the mods to make 800 wheel. This belt and the lower pulley should be rated from 750 to 800 wheel horsepower, so we should be definitely making 800 wheel. Stay tuned for the install.